In this video, we will show the 12 best books about birds and birding. At number 1, The Ravenmaster. Our review. At number 2, The Feather Thief. Our review. At number 3, The Ascent of Birds. Our review. At number 4, Belonging on an Island. Our review. At number 5, The Seabird's Cry. Our review. At number 6, The Wonderful Mr Willughby. Our review. At number 7, Million Rupees Moreau's Warbler. Our review. At number 8, The Delightful Horror of Family Birding. Our review. At number 9, Warblers and Woodpeckers. Our review. At number 10, BirdNote. Our review. At number 11, Hentopia. Our review. At number 12, The Wall of Birds. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.